Welcome to 3D Print Pulse, your essential weekly update from the cutting edge of 3D printing and additive manufacturing. Every week, we bring you the most important news and developments. The episodes are crafted by All3DP's expert editors and voiced by text-to-speech so that we can go hunting for news again. Ready for the latest? Let's dive right in.
Today, we're talking about a topic that every 3D printer owner loves: deals. You can forget waiting until Black Friday, because some major deals from the biggest names in the industry are live right now. First, we have Prusa Research, which is running a back-to-school sale until October 1st. This is your chance to get their classic MK4S 3D printer for its lowest price ever, just $669. You can also get a free Buddy 3D camera with the purchase of a Prusa Core 1, along with up to 50% off educational courses. Plus, you can save on selected filament. Next, Elego and Anycubic are both celebrating their 10th anniversaries with big sales. Elego is offering up to 30% off, including the popular Neptune 4 Plus for only $299. Anycubic is offering discounts, free gifts, and site-wide coupons as part of their celebration. Philsun has currently reduced prices on all their printers with some pretty heavy discounts. You can pick up the Philsun Super Racer Delta 3D printer for $299, down from its regular price of $699. The flagship S1 printer is available for $699. But this Save-Timber trend isn't just about printers. Companies like Sunlu are offering deep discounts on filaments, and RevoPoint and Einstar are offering deals on 3D scanners. These promotions are a great opportunity to upgrade your workshop so you can forget waiting until Black Friday. Many of these deals are comparable to, or even better than, what you would typically find at the end of the year. You can find a link to all the deals in the show notes.
What are the best materials for your outdoor prints? An in-depth All3DP article looks at the top 6 materials that can withstand heat, cold, UV light, moisture, extreme temperature changes, and even chemical exposure. For a great all-around option, we recommend PETG. It's a popular choice because it offers impressive strength and impact resistance, and it's also very affordable, food-safe, and easy to print. It's a solid go-to for many outdoor applications. Just be aware that it can deform if it's exposed to very high heat. If you are looking for a filament that is easy to print and keeps its shape in cold and heat, AESA is our top recommendation. It's an excellent choice because it offers high UV resistance and maintains its mechanical properties across a wide temperature range. It's a bit like a tougher, more weather-resistant ABS, though you'll need to print it in a well-ventilated area due to the fumes it produces. If you need a material with great strength and durability, nylon with a UV stabilizer is an excellent option. For translucent or transparent outdoor parts, polycarbonate is the superior choice, offering high UV and impact resistance. For parts that need additional flexibility, TPU is the go-to. It's perfect for items like hose connectors or drone parts that require some give and elasticity. It's also great for items that need to withstand impacts. All of these materials prove that 3D printing is a great option, not just for indoor projects, but for creating long-lasting, durable parts for any environment. If you want to dig deeper into the material's properties and use cases, click the link in the show notes or go directly to All3DP. And now, a word from our sponsor.
Are you a designer, engineer, or hobbyist looking to bring your ideas to life? Stop searching for the perfect manufacturing partner. Craftcloud3D.com brings you the solution. Craftcloud connects you to a global network of top-tier manufacturers. Upload your 3D model, choose from hundreds of materials and technologies, and instantly compare quotes in real time. Get the best price on industrial quality parts, from prototyping to production, delivered right to your door. No hidden fees, no minimum orders, just seamless, transparent service. Whether it's a complex metal part or a simple plastic prototype, Craftcloud handles everything with expert support. Craftcloud, your project, perfectly printed.
We're sorry to say, but you've been calculating your 3D printing costs all wrong. At least, that's what a study found out. A new cost calculation framework, developed by researchers Seregi and Fixere, has found that the traditional, time-based method for calculating expenses is partially flawed. The new study, titled Refined Cost Calculation Framework for FDM Parts, introduces a new, 5-step method for a more accurate understanding of your spending and profitability. A key finding is that calculating tooling costs, specifically nozzle wear, should be based on the volume of material used, not print time. The authors explain that time-based models mostly get it wrong. They can incorrectly assign high costs to delicate parts with long print times but low material usage, while underestimating the cost of large, dense parts that use a lot of filament. Since nozzle wear occurs primarily when filament is being extruded, a volume-based approach is far more accurate. This new framework provides a more precise way for both businesses and hobbyists to understand their true expenses, potentially saving them from overestimating or underestimating costs. While existing cost calculators don't yet use this model, the research could lead to a new standard for a more accurate cost calculation in the future. You can find a link to the overview of this 5-steps formula in the show notes.
Let's round off this week's podcast with news bulletins. Italian manufacturer WASP has unveiled a new large-format printer called the Cubo HDP. The machine prints directly from recycled plastic pellets and has a massive build volume of more than 1 cubic meter. The machine pushes into this space with sustainability as a core differentiator. Its compatibility with shredded plastics and microparticles goes beyond what many current pellet-fed systems support, making it attractive to companies prioritizing circular manufacturing. Ask 80 UK companies using 3D printing how it's going, and you'll hear a mix of praise and frustration. At the latest TCT UK user group, AM adopters agreed their printers are reliable and repeatable, but full integration is still held back by inconsistent material data, the absence of a trusted cost modeling tool, and ongoing safety and training gaps. The result? A clear to-do list for the industry if 3D printing is to move from pockets of success to true company-wide adoption. Prusa Research's Easy Print app can now send print jobs to third-party printers. The app allows users to slice models directly from the browser and send them to compatible machines, even the ones from Prusa's competitors. Interestingly, the feature does not work with Bambu Labs printers. A Prusa spokesperson explained that the integration would be possible once Bambu Lab provides a suitable API. The U.S. Army has taken another step to reduce frontline repair times. A new project allows field commanders to approve 3D printed spare parts for vehicle and equipment repairs without waiting for approval from higher authorities. This gives the Army an advantage in logistics, especially in remote areas. There are so many homes being printed across the U.S., it's hardly news anymore. Yet, a new project in Colorado is quite ambitious. Verotouch aims to produce 32 homes until the end of the year. Most will be 1,000 square feet, 2-bedroom, 2-bath houses, priced from $450,000 to $685,000. The developer told Denver's 5280 magazine that printing cuts costs by up to 20%, reduces labor by 40%, and shaves timelines by 20%.
That's it from the weekly roundup from the world of 3D printing. As usual, you can find all the links in the show notes. Thank you to our sponsor Craftcloud, and remember, you can always find more in-depth articles, reviews and guides at all3dp.com. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a rating or review. It really helps us to bring these updates to even more 3D printing enthusiasts like you. Join us next week for another rapid-fire update. Until then, happy printing!